Hello there, guys. What's going on here? Why are you gathered around that giant clam? Oh, of course. They're here to see the show. Listen to them cheer. Everyone is excited when Twinkle and the starfish play. They're the best music act in the whole of Splashy Reef. That's Wrinkle, Sprinkle and Twinkle in the middle. Twinkle is the superstar of the group. She's also a little bit magical. It's Donny Dolphin. He's late for the concert. If you listen, Donny, you can hear the music playing. That's it, off you go. Nobody wants to miss the starfish when they're playing. Here comes Twinkle, everyone. Close your eyes and make a wish. Quick, and it might come true. And there they go. Look at that magical trail of stardust that's coming from Twinkle's starfish. I wonder where they are off to now. Come on, everyone, let's follow them. Oh, look, they're heading towards the home of the Sharkson family. And look, there's Mummy Shark and little baby Grub. Isn't he adorable? And there's the starfish. 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes tight and make a wish, baby Grub. It's so much fun to swim around Splashy Reef. Look at Tucker go. That's one happy turtle. Everything is a little bit magic when the starfish are around. Just look at baby Grub. He's having such a good time watching the starfish. Give him a spin, Twinkle. Look, stardust. That's amazing. Oh, bless you, Grub. It's getting late though, everyone. Twinkle's performance is almost over. And here we are back at the stage. Give the starfish a big round of applause. Wasn't that such a good show? Starfish really are